Hello everybody, happy Makar Sankranti. Today we are going to do experiments. The experiment's name is underwater volcano. Today I've got my friend to help me out. My friend's name is Sarah.
Hi, I am Sarah Good and today we are going to do an experiment named underwater volcano. So my friend Fox will tell you the ingredients.
So we need a test tube. We need a spatula. We need a measuring cylinder. We need citric acid. We need baking soda. We need red color. We need water. And we need cooking oil.
Yes, so let's start with the experiment. The first step to the experiment is measure 10 ml water in the measuring cylinder and pour into it in the test tube. Okay. So, we have to put it here. Okay, 10 ml. Yeah, so it's 10 ml. I think so now.
Now we have to then add 2 drops of red color into the test tube and mix using the stirring stick.
Drop, so open it. Press it. That's 1 and 2. Then.
Now I will stir it with the stirring stick.
Take it. Very good. Now the water is very red.
Now it is an underwater volcano, that's why we need to add red. Now we have to add 1 scoop of baking soda.
1 scoop. This much is okay. Yeah. What's the next step?
Now we have to measure 20 ml oil, cooking oil in the measuring cylinder and slowly pour it into the test tube.
Take it. Measure it fair. Yes. Stop. Yes.
Drop 1 scoop of citric acid into the test tube.
Take it. Drop 1 scoop with this. Hold it.
Now the explosion will start.
Oh, wow. The red layer is coming on the upper side. It's so good. It's coming up. Will it fall?
Not type of,
Okay.
but it will.
Yeah, oh no. So, this is the experiment of underwater lava.
It's volcano,
Yes,
but it is
underwater-
type of lava.
Yeah. I think because of citric acid is coming up.
Yes.
Let's read science behind this. So, science behind this is similar to the previous experiment. Bubbles of the carbon dioxide are released. But in this experiment, the bubbles move slowly through the oil layer. Because oil is thicker and stickier than water. This is the property of oil called viscosity.
So Hope you enjoyed with the video. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button,
and share it
Bye.
with everyone.